drum roll. We're making
frijoles puercos. ¿Cómo?
Frijoles puercos. Their name that in the translation is dirty beans.
Yes.
Because they have a lot of meat.
A lot of fat.
And cheese.
But they're so delicious. We don't eat them.
Every
We make them at least twice a year, but it's not something we eat all the time. But they're just so delicious that trust me.
You're not gonna resist it.
Yes. So
now the kitchen rules. The kitchen rules are: make sure you wash your hands, you're working your ears clean, have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you burn yourself, and that's bad. But the most important rule in the kitchen is beef Sunday. Well, that's not correct, so let's try it again. The most important rule in the kitchen is safety first. Bam! So now, let's get
cooking.
And the spice man.
Woo! Spicy.
Cool.
So here are the ingredients. We're gonna need 1 pound of beans. We put salt in them when we cook them, so that's just a reminder. We have
Apole.
what?
Longaniza.
Longaniza.
Lonjas de Niza.
Longanizas.
Longaniza. Chorizo.
Chorizo al pastor. We like the flavor of it. It gives it a good taste.
We have
Chihuahua
apple
cheese.
Bacon.
Sliced garlics, onion, the juice for
Chile jalapeño.
chile jalapeño, and 3 chipotle.
And 3
The
chile de árbol. So now let's get cooking.
So,
I'm gonna put my bacon.
our mom always teaches us how to do stuff that's simple and not hard. So, since we have gadgets here in the USA.
Yeah, don't suffer. I used to burn myself when I was a kid doing that, smashing them with a cup. That doesn't happen in here.
Now we have this simple machine.
Yes. And for us, I mean, the beans taste the same. It's really your liking. And make sure you keep it inside. We don't want any more explosions.
I think that's good, yeah? I think I need a plate. I forgot to get a plate before I started this.
I help you.
So our bacon is already cooking, so now we're gonna wait for it to get crispy and crunchy. Okay guys, so it's ready and now we're gonna get it out. So now we're gonna put our chorizo.
Lonja.
No, this is chorizo.
That's chorizo. Longaniza es el otro.
We have to be careful.
You don't pour. So get with your hands. We don't pour it yet because it's hot.
It feels weird. It feels kind of like thick slime.
Ooh.
Go wash your hands. Okay, so now we just need to make sure we kind of shred it in there. Hold your pot. There you go.
Like smushy. So this is how you want it, kind of smushed up. And now we're gonna add the longaniza.
Longaniza. Tu lonja de Mona Lisa. Como las mías.
Well, I'm gonna take these away.
Yes.
I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay guys, so this is how you want it. It smells really good.
And we're gonna put our onion.
And you cannot stop mixing.
We don't want the garlic or the onion to burn. Use your hand, baby boy. And we're gonna pour our chiles de árbol. And if you want it more spicy, you can always add more. Or if you don't want anything spicy, just don't add any.
Chiles. So once we smell our garlic, we're gonna put in our what is it?
Our beans.
Yeah, our beans and
then the
the
juice.
juice and the cheese, and we're almost done.
The bacon.
Can't really smell anything.
We have to wait, let it cook, let it fry.
It still smells good either way.
I smell the
Chorizo.
Yeah, I smell that.
Let's wait until everything gets a little bit fried.
I smell it now.
Let's wait.
No, I'm smelling this now on mine now. I don't smell it. So we're gonna put our shoes.
Because we can smell our garlic now.
Let's pour our beans.
Oh, beans are over here again. Here, take the beans. Careful. Like this. Okay. Pour them.
Smells spicy.
It does. It does.
Okay, now mix your beans. So we just need to make sure we mix everything really good first. You don't want to see any beans without being mixed.
With any beans without beans mixed?
Any beans without being mixed with everything.
I mean, what do you mean beans without beans?
Like
It sounds like a
space
rap. Pick
without-
it, pick it, pick it.
Like a space without everything.
Yes.
So we're gonna put our cheese, and you can put as many.
As much as you like.
Yeah, as many. I was gonna say.
And keep
as
stirring,
many
yes.
cheese as you want. So you can put like all types of cheese in here.
We like Chihuahua or Oaxaca. Those are the best.
But we didn't have one
For us.
today.
Yeah, you guys ate it before.
We ate it all.
And then you can add your bacon too, Ian.
Ooh, it's getting
Not like
shrinky.
that, Ian. Okay, keep stirring, baby girl. And now, Ian, ponle el... Ajá. Deja poquito, okay? No lo tires todo. Not all.
Not all of it, Ian.
I don't think so.
Look at this.
Save some.
Stringy.
Keep going, baby girl. Con tu mano está bien.
It's a good workout.
No, just get it from there y ponlo acá. Ah, ¿ese es el que vas a salvar? Okay, that's great. Entonces, pour everything. It looks really good.
We don't want the napkin in there.
And everything in the bowl.
It looks really good. It smells amazing.
This would be amazing with queso fresco and a tortilla. I mean, the tostada.
Oh, that's what we're gonna do.
Oh yeah, tostadas here. And we have our queso fresco right here.
It's getting really stringy, look.
Ooh.
So we're gonna keep mixing until our cheese is melted and then we get to eat it. So this, as you can see, this is a very quick recipe and delicious recipe.
Can you do this?
Oh, yeah. So we're ready, Aileen?
Yes.
All right, let's eat it.
So we're back and look how amazing it looks. And we're gonna eat it with some queso fresco and so, ready to taste it? Here. Lift it up. So
Mmm.
Mmm.
It's so good. The cheese and the
It's so stringy when you
chorizo
grab it.
and the beans. Mmm.
Is it spicy, guys? I think it was
Yeah.
perfect.
It was perfect.
It's
Just
in the
like-
middle. Like
It's like just amazing. So now enjoy. Oh my God, so good. So if you give this to your family, they're like bummed. They're gonna love it, just like. And we recommend you eating it with queso fresco because yes.
She likes queso fresco.
Yeah, it's amazing. So thank you all of you for supporting us from all around the world and
For your comments.
yes, your comments are amazing. We just keep scrolling through there going, yeah. So now